Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to TechDeva. In this video, I will show you how to fix the microphone bug in Pubg which occurs majorly for Geo users after Pubg ban in India. This microphone bug cannot deliver a voice nor you can receive the voice of your teammate. So, before getting into the video, if you are new to my channel, subscribe my channel, hit the bell icon and click on all for instant notification of my videos.
You should take it slow.
Open the Play Store and download Speedify VPN. After downloading the app, open it. Tap the three lines on the top left corner. Click on the server and choose India. In India, tap on Bangalore and then click on Bangalore 22 server. Your VPN will turn on now automatically. After your VPN gets connected, restart Pubg. You can also remove the Speedify VPN from the recent apps. Hello. That's it guys, your microphone bug will be fixed. If this video was useful, hit a like, share, subscribe, and if this works on your device, comment down below.